How cool is that? The X is from its racing days. Now come check this out. Right here. Little iPhones that come out. And this is actually your lap timer. So you can check how fast you go around the racetrack. You've got leather straps, and that's from the old days where racing cars needed them to hold down the hood. Now come check this out. I love these rims. You got fiberglass on top here and all of these holes. It's quite a unique design. Now the back, look at this beauty. Isn't this gorgeous with these L-shaped lights and all this carbon fiber? Look at it, it's everywhere. Wow. No doors, which actually makes it super easy to get into. You got the fire extinguishers here, one on this side. This is called the bone switch. Watch this. This lights up. This is your gear selector, and your dash lights up as well with the rev meter and all your temperature checks. Now you've got to hear this, guys. Turning her on. Amazing, doesn't it? What do you reckon?
Oh, there's a red light.
Oh, it's saying no more revving. All right. Got these racing seat belts. Yeah. Look at this beautiful design in here. All of this carbon fiber, and this hole in here as well that separates the driver from the passenger. Oh, I love the carbon fiber everywhere. All right, we ready?
Ready.
Here we go.
Wow.
All right, BMW, make a car like this, please. This is amazing. How good does it look? Oh, love.
That's so cool.